In this video I will show you why you need to switch up Capcut with Filmora 14.
Before we start the video, go into the first link in my description and it will redirect you to Elements in Vado. The subscription there is super cheap and affordable for video editors. Get the best stock footages, fonts, templates, effects and everything any graphic designer or video editor could possibly need.
Drop your clip to the timeline, go right-click on the clip and go to speech to text. Now set the video language and after set the language you want the captions to be. My video is Spanish and I will set captions to English. Click generate and wait.
Estudiante. Hoy vamos a hablar.
Now we got the captions, we got two types, Spanish and English. Now I will delete the Spanish because I don't need it, I want the English captions only.
Estudiante. Hoy vamos a hablar.
Here you can set the captions to any second you want.
Estudiante. Hoy vamos a hablar de un fenómeno que se percibe, que se siente cada vez con más.
Now I will show you how to stretch your music. Let me just put random sound and set the video to silence. Now we got everything we need, just follow my steps. Click on this music icon and go down to the audio and click on the end and move the audio to the end of the video. Make sure to hold the left click. Here the audio, it matches perfect. That's it, we are done. It's pretty good audio now. Now I will show you the incredible stock backgrounds Filmora have. You can see they are amazing, you can use it everywhere you want, they are very cool. I will create something from this background and I will add title. I will create little intro for clip just to show you. Now I will add this old paper background from stock media. And I will go titles and I will add this neon title 09. Here I will type flat media and I will set it to the center, and of course I will change the color to something similar with the background. I will set this preset from Filmora, it looks cool. Now I will set some animations. I want to set this loop animation and I will set out animation for the end of the intro. Here I was checking for animations that will match good, but I didn't find any. Here is the finished intro we got. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, get your Filmora 14 today, and don't forget to subscribe to Elements Envato. Peace.